Hello, welcome to today's lesson. My name is Paul William Sofori. Today we have science. Today's science is for basic 1. So if you are in basic 1, today's lesson is for you. Pay attention and look on the board. Today we are looking at strand 4. Strand 4, forces and energy. All of you, forces and energy. Again, forces and energy. So the substrand is substrand 3, forces and movements. Forces and movements. We are looking at this indicator. Understand what simple machines are and cite common examples. So understand what simple machines are and cite common examples. So today's lesson, the topic is what? Simple machines. All of you, simple machines. Again, simple machines. So today we are looking at what? Simple machines. Okay, so in this lesson, there are some words that we will see. The first one is machine. All of you, machine. Again, machine. Then the next word is faster. Faster, faster, faster. We have the next word, easier, 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 easier. The next word is what? Simple, simple, simple. And we have what? Scissors, scissors, scissors. So you will get to understand these words as we continue with the lesson. So machine, faster, easier, simple, scissors. Okay, so this lesson is focused on simple machines that are commonly used at homes and in schools. If you want to sharpen your pencil, do you use sharpener or your hands? It is not possible to use your bare hands to sharpen it. It is easier and faster to use sharpener to sharpen pencils. A sharpener is a simple machine because it helps us work more easily and faster. Today's lesson is about what? Simple machines. These machines are machines that we have. In fact, they do not use fuel. They don't need any electricity, any form of power before they can work. They don't use batteries. They don't use petrol. They don't use lights. They are machines that are easy to use, and they also help us work faster. So this is what we are going to look at. These things are called machines, so you should know, and they are called simple machines. Listen. They are called what? Simple machines. It will surprise you to know that even broom is one of the examples of simple machines. Okay, now let's look at it. The following are some examples of simple machines. So this is spanner. All of you, spanner. Let me enlarge it for you. So this is how spanner looks like. This is how spanner looks like. Okay. So this is spanner. Now we have this broom. Spanner is a simple machine. Broom too is a simple machine. We use broom to what? To sweep. We have this wheelbarrow. This is wheelbarrow. It's also a simple machine. Now we have this hammer. It's also a simple machine. Now let's go to the next one. What is this? Scissors. All of you, scissors. So scissors too is what? A simple machine. Now let's come to this side. This is what? Screwdriver. Screwdriver. Those who have been saying screwdriver, please, it is not screwdriver. Your school doesn't have bus, so why should you have a driver? You don't have bus and you want to have driver. Okay, those who have bus. So this is how your driver looks like, Screwdriver. This is how your driver looks like. The next time you see screwdriver, I will tell your screwdriver that is like this. It is not screwdriver, it is what? Screwdriver. All of you, screwdriver. Okay, so screwdriver too is a simple machine. Now let's come to this side. What is the name of this? Sharpener. All of you, sharpener. So this is what we use to sharpen our pencils. It's also a simple machine. And we have this knife. This is what? Knife. Okay, it's also a simple machine. Let's look at this one. This is dustpan. Look at this. This is dustpan. It's a simple machine. Now, bottle opener. Look at this. It's a bottle opener. It's also what? A simple machine. Now let's come here. We have plier or pliers. So this is how plier looks like. So pliers are also what? Simple machines. Now let's come to this side. Spoon. Spoon. Do you know that spoon too is a machine? Yes, it's a simple machine. Spoon is a simple machine. Okay. So we have seen examples of what? Simple machines. If I ask you to mention 10 examples of simple machines, you should be able to tell me. Spanner, broom, wheelbarrow, hammer, scissors, screwdriver, sharpener, knife, dustpan, bottle opener, plier or pliers, and then we have what? Spoon. Okay, so what are the uses of the above simple machines? So the machines that I mentioned, the simple machines that we looked at, what are the uses of these machines? 2. Which ones have you used before? These machines, which one have you used before? I know all of you have used these before. Sharpener. Yes. What did you use them for? What did you use them for? Yes. What did you use these machines for? The simple machines. The sharpener. What did you use it for? You use it to sharpen your pencil. Okay. So were they able to do the work easier and faster? Were they able to do the work easier and faster for you? Okay. So if they were able to do the work easier and faster for you, then it tells you that this is what? Or these are simple machines. So simple machines are machines that enable us to work easier and faster. So they are machines that enables us to work easier and what? Faster. Okay. Now let's come to this side. Uses of some simple machines. Uses of some simple machines. Now we are going to look at the simple machines that we mentioned and what they are used for. Spanner. Spanner. So it is used to turn nuts and bolts. So spanner is used to turn nuts and bolts. This is spanner. This is spanner. We use it to turn nuts and what? Bolts. Broom. It is used to sweep. We all use broom to sweep. Okay. Wheelbarrow. It is used to carry loads from one place to another. From one place to another. We have hammer. It is used to drive nail into wood. So hammer is also used to drive nail into wood. 5. A pair of scissors. You know scissors. It is used to cut fabrics. So you use scissors to cut what? Fabrics. The next one is screwdriver. It is used to drive screw into things. It is also used to remove screw from things. So screwdriver help us to drive screws into what? Into things, and also remove screws from things. Now sharpener. Tell me what you use sharpener for. It is used to sharpen our pencils. Knife. Knife is also used to cut or slice soft things like bread, yam, and what? Tomatoes. So we use knife a lot in the house. And we use knife to cut bread. We use knife to prepare food, especially when we are peeling what? Our cassava, we are peeling our plantain, cocoyam, and yam. So knife is used to do so many things. We use it to cut and then slice soft things. So we have mentioned them. The next one is bottle opener. The bottle opener is used to what? Open bottle tops. Okay, spoons. Spoon is used to fetch salt, sugar, Milo, and what? Others. So if you are in the house and you need some salt, you look for what? Spoon to fetch it. If you need what? Sugar, you use the spoon to do that, to fetch it. Okay, so now this activity is here. Your facilitator will show you how to use bottle opener to open bottle tops. Caution: knife and sharp objects should not be used in the classroom or in this lesson. So if you want to practice what you have learned about simple machines, please don't joke with sharp objects like cutlass or knife. It will cut you unless your teacher is there, unless your parents are there. But I'm just advising you that don't use it on your own. Okay, now so in summary, what have we learned today? Simple machines are machines that enable us to work more easily and faster. Simple machines make work easier. Some of the simple machines are broom, knife, scissors, bottle opener, screwdriver, and hammer. So today our lesson is coming to an end. What have we learned? We have learned about simple machines. They are machines that enable us to work more easily and faster. These machines, they don't use electricity, they don't use battery, they don't use petrol, they don't use any source of energy or any form of energy. They are there, and the moment you take it, you can use it. Like your pen, your sharpener. You don't need battery before the sharpener can work. You don't need electricity before the sharpener can work. So these are machines that we call simple because they are easy to use, and they help us to work easier and then faster. So that is what we have learned today. Now let's look at exercises. The first exercise is here. You are to underline the correct answer. We have 5 questions. Exercise 2, 5 questions. Exercise 3, we have 5 questions. Exercise 4, 5 questions. Then we have home assignments 1 and 2. So home assignments: write 5 simple machines you use at home and their importance. So this is simple for you. You use broom. In the house you use broom. In the house you use knife. In the house you use dustpan. In the house you use wheelbarrow. In the house you use what? Have I mentioned knife? What of cutlass? I've mentioned broom. I've mentioned what else? Even sharpeners. You use sharpener in the house. When you are doing your homework, you need sharpener. You use what? Bottle opener. You use screwdriver. You use hammer. So all these are things that you can mention as examples of simple machines, and you know what they are used for. Okay, now home assignment 2: draw and color one simple machine of your choice. So all the simple machines, which one will you want to draw? Yes. Shall we do it together? Or this one I should leave you do it? Baba Idris, he said I should draw it. Okay, so let's draw. Let's draw. Baba says we should draw, so we will draw. We are going to draw and color one simple machine. Baba, what simple machine do you want us to draw? What simple machine do you want us to draw, Baba? I'm listening. Yes. What simple machine? Wheelbarrow. Hey, Baba, are you sure that I can draw wheelbarrow? Don't worry, I'll draw it for you. I'll prove to you that yes, I know how to draw. Okay, so this is how wheelbarrow looks like. Hey, Baba, today you want to give me trouble, but it will not work. Baba, it will not work. It will not work. So this is how wheelbarrow looks like. Wheelbarrows. So this is what the tie. Baba, take your time. I'm drawing the thing for you. Don't worry at all, So, So this is the tie, and then this is what the handle. There is another handle coming from this side. So Baba, this is your wheelbarrow. So you write wheelbarrow. So this is a simple what? Machine. And this is our wheelbarrow. Baba, I hope you have enjoyed everything. Okay, so I also expect you to draw something nicer than what I have done here. My name is Paul Williams Ofori. You can just contact me, ask your questions, and also remember to share the platform. We are on WhatsApp. We are not on WhatsApp for now. We are on what? Facebook, YouTube, and what? TikTok. So you can reach out to us on this platform. Recommend the platforms to your loved ones that they should come there and watch what you guys have been learning in the classroom. We bring you the same thing here. So I want everybody to just recommend, if you are watching, recommend it to your friend that they should watch us. The name is Kokromoti Series. Kokromoti Series. Get a copy of the book and make sure you answer all the questions. If you have any challenge or difficulty, your parents are there, your teachers are there, you can also get in touch with me and I'll help you out. My name once again is Paul Williams Ofori. Bye bye.